morning and welcome to day 5, Sunday the 30th of September 2018. That's the time, and this is the scale reading. It may not seem like I've lost a lot, but you know what? The fact that the scale still moves, that is great. The fact that I feel lighter, that is great. The fact that I was able to do number 2, that is great. So in all, it's great. So we're on to day 5. Just a little bit of pounds lost for day 4. That's great. It's better than nothing. The fact is, I feel really different. When I say different, not in the fact that I'm losing weight or the kilos are dropping, but in the fact that my mind has clarity. I'm someone, when you ask me, can you fast for like from morning till 6 o'clock, I'll be like, oh my God, my stomach will start grumbling. But you know what? I've learned self-discipline. I spent the whole of Saturday, the 29th, just cooking. And not once was I tempted to say, let me put this food in my mouth, let me taste it. I'm lucky enough to have people around me to say, can you taste this food for me? Can you do this for? So they tasted it for me. And once it tastes good, they are very critical. My families are very critical, so they're like, oh, that's fine. You don't need any more. You don't need any more seasoning. You don't need it, which is great. So today, this morning, the same rules is going to apply. I usually do not eat at church on Sunday, so that would not make, just because I'm trying to do something would not mean that I'll break my my Sunday fasting rule, which I try to do every Sunday, because I sort of do that Sunday to sort of discipline myself and stay within that discipline zone, but it's not enough. So this has really taught me a good lesson, that food will always be here, and that I should just always have that thing in my mind that food is not going anywhere. Anyway, the food is going to be here. So I'm going to prep my meal to take out with me. It's going to be a very long day, so I'm taking my my prep food with me. Fingers crossed everything goes to plan. Yay. Oh, we're still on the day. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Yeah, we have the time. Sunday. Time to start heading out. Got my big pot of memo here. I need to pack this up. Okay. I need to pack this up. So here's my snack that I'm taking with me. Melon, kiwi, and some eggs. That's my lunch, or my lunch or breakfast till I get home in the evening. I'll probably have this around about 4 o'clock or 3 or so. Yeah, so this is what I'll be having. I need to finish my work and I need to head out. See you guys a bit later. And time to eat. Another great day. That's my eggs. I've got soya spice there and some fruit. Melon, kiwi. First meal of the day. Let's get let's begin. Hey, good evening, guys. Just checking in. Sunday 30th 9. What's the today's? What's the time? I've forgotten the time. Oh God, have mercy on me. It's just a few minutes to 8, and this is what I am. I'm in the kitchen making some more. Moi. Yep. The last job for the day. I was in church. Praise God, I give glory, I give thanks. I had my egg and my melon with the kiwi, and there was food everywhere. At some point I was like, maybe I should just have a little bit of suya, maybe I should just have a little bit of this, maybe I should have a little bit of rice, because I went to an harvest and celebration, an anniversary celebration, and I was like, oh, maybe I should have a bit of the jollof rice or the fried rice, but I was like, no. Remember, you're not doing this because there won't be food anymore, but you're doing this because you need clarification on your life, on your future. You need direction. You need to lose a bit of weight at the same time, which is good. The weight is bonus, which is great. But the more thing is that I've got clarification. I've got more insights. It's sort of cleansed inside your body, mind, and soul. So yeah, even this moment smells so lovely, but I'm not gonna fall into that temptation. I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea, take a light shower, drink my tea, and go to bed. So I'll see you guys later. Ciao. That's the time. So you don't feel like I'm just showing you part of my mind. My hair's a bit messy. I'm locking my hair at the moment, so at the beginning it always looks a bit messy. But yeah, that's what's happened today. Great. Food. See you guys later when I get my shower and I hit the bed. Sipping on my tea in my little green mug. I'm gonna go to bed now. See you guys tomorrow for day 6. Good morning. Here we have the time, Monday, 8:36 a.m. in the morning. Time to get on the scale. Quick update about day 5 and the morning of day 6. So I weighed myself on day 5 and I was, I think, 83 kg, and the same thing on day 6, 83 kg, which is good. So I decided to stop and take a day off, which the day off was on a Monday yesterday, the 4th of October. And today I said, you know what, let me start the cleanse, the master cleanse, and do that for 5 days. Then I give myself a day off again and then start something else. Hopefully I can go out of the 70, out of the 80 kg range. So that's the whole idea. So for all of you that watched, that encouraged through Instagram, thank you so much. Thumbs up to you guys, and I know you can do it. Just keep yourself motivated, drink a lot of water, find things to keep your mind off it, and you'll be great. Remember, don't do as I do.